Good evening. It's August 17, 2022, and this is another live stream of Softest in Software, and today we are going to continue with our Outlook, Blazor, C#, Office, JavaScript, whatever add-in. Let's start the show. Welcome back. Another unusual, by now usual day on Wednesday instead of Thursday, due to another soccer match on Thursday. Let's open the code window and let's see what we are going to do today. Last week we have been wrapping up the Outlook add-in to read attachments, but that gave an error. Let's adjust the mic a little bit. So we are going to fix the error if possible, and then also check this into a different repo, so that we can create a pull request for yet another repo where it's forked from. So let's start with Visual Studio and go to the project where it's currently stored, because we have to do some tricking there. Magic and tricks. I think I updated all the source code here, all the posts in here. I think this is the application that we need to move to a different repo. You can improve startup performance by auto-hiding or collapsing C# interactive window. I don't want the interactive window this time. Close that. Create a pull request to parallel fork. Probably will do that to my own fork to make it a little bit easier. Fix the JavaScript error and fix the menu item. That's another thing that we need to fix there. So let's first go to the source folder of this. Open containing folder. And there we have the application. So let's first do another thing. Let's configure the target. Why is the package object and package there? Debug. It's empty. That has the app manifest. It's interesting. Okay, let's first do this. Open this and then clean the solution so that we get as less as possible. Copying over to the other side. Samples, and we have it now in here, but we want to get this under the Blazor thing. But let's go to my GitHub repo then. Why is this all full screen? GitHub. Let's quickly check because I also enabled, I think, the GitHub Copilot. Still saying save here. Not sure why it's sitting there to save. It was also mentioned on my profile, I think. To unlock new achievements with private contributors, show them off by including private contributions in your profile in settings. Show them off by including private contributions in your profile settings. Make profile private and hide activity. No. Don't want to make the profile private. Include private contributors contributions on my profile. The contribution graph, achievement and activity overview will show your private contributions without revealing any repository or organization information. Oh, that's really what I want. Display pro badge, show achievements on my profile. Okay, we're drifting off again. What was I going to do? Yeah, I'm going to my repositories. Then go to the Office add-in samples. And let's make sure that this branch is 4 commits behind. So synced fork. Update branch. It's now up to date with main. So let's clone this. Copy, go in here and make a new date in here. 2022-08-17. Saying 17, I'm typing 18. Go in the command prompt. Paste the... Oh, that's not paste. Paste the clone thing in there. What branches do I have on in here? I think I can remove this one. Blazor add-in. I think I created a folder in there. With an add-in. What pages are in there? Only the index. Navigation. And let's create a new one. Then let's go to main again. Oh. There's main. How did we call this one? My name, Blazor Outlook add-in 2. CD office. Git status. Git checkout branch. Git checkout, then B, create a new branch. Git checkout B, and then the new file branch name will be AAFVASTAM, like this, like so. Blazor Outlook add-in. Blazor Outlook add-in 2. CD samples. CD Blazor something. Yeah. Now we should go in here. Copy. There. Now go to the other repo. 17, that's today. Oh. That's the exact same folder, so that's not what I wanted. I wanted to go to here. Keep the naming the same, like this, like so. Word-Blazor-add-in. Let's make a new folder here. Outlook. Blazor. Add in. This is 2017. 17th, yes. Go in here. Then copy all these items in there. Let's make that a copy. In case something bad happens. And let's have a look at the same thing for Word. So that's named Outlook, Blazor, add-in. That's not true. This is the manifest file. So this is the one with the manifest. That's the one with the manifest. So that should be called site loader. Word Blazor site loader, Outlook Blazor site loader. Probably will break everything there. Then throw out these two items. Oh, let's don't do that. So this one is called Outlook Blazor site loader manifest. So that will be Outlook Blazor, Outlook, not Outlook, Outlook Blazor add-in. Why is there a client, server and shared in there? With the weather, we don't need the weather. Let's kill that. That will be the same as that. Server should be empty. Because we're not demoing the server. Then we have the client. Client should be under a level higher. So this should be empty now. Then we have the project called Blazor add-in. Project Blazor add-in, same thing. That should be the same as in Excel, I guess. Excel, Blazor add-in, same thing. The bin should go, objects should go. What's in objects? Mail read. I would say that's model, but let's change that later on. Properties page, properties, shared and root, imports. And in here, the root folder, that should be named like this. Good. Now let's do some fixing on the project. First check the project here. Solution, I mean. So that should be called Outlook dash Blazor dash add dash in. And we should have a readme. Okay, now we need to do some fixing here. Fix all the paths in the projects and things. Close all these redundant stuff there. We don't need to get started here. There's an update later. No views, register ID code spaces, explorer details. I don't care. So this is the Word add-in. Let's close that. This is the Outlook add-in. So this is what we need to fix. That's the same one. So let's fix these items here, like the solutions, probably something not right in here. Because that's not right. Let's also open the one in Word to be able to compare this. Get rid of all this stuff. So that's the Blazor add-in. Project, and we have a site loader. That's interesting because this one should not be called Blazor add-in anymore, I think. Let's stick to the same thing there. Blazor add-in. This will be the path, like this. Outlook, Blazor add-in, and the project name, Blazor add-in. That's one. Post project. Why do we have a post project in there? That's not in here. So which one is this? So let's look at this end project. So this should go. There we should be doing that in Fish Studio. It's closed, by the way, Fish Studios. This is the other Word Blazor site loader. That's the manifest thing. That's this case. Where's the site loader? This is site loader. There's post project. That's the client app. So that's the Blazor heading. So this one should be Blazor heading. So that can be matched with this one. Then we have a solution items thingy. That's going to do. Then we get this one, a side loader. Copy. It will be something like Outlook. Path should be something like this. Outlook. Outlook. Look. Blazor side loader. Let's check if that's true. Outlook Blazor side loader. That's true. Then Outlook Blazor side loader. She's brought this one. Outlook, that's not right. Need to fix that. Compare it to Word. Is it called Word Blazor side loader project? And this folder. XML should be called Outlook Blazor side loader XML. package. Extension data item. Copy. Back is blocked. Need a chiropractor there to loosen it up a little bit. I think this looks good. And this one. So, oh, that's not what I wanted there. Blazor in, doing it again. Come on. I think I need a new keyboard as well. Remote app images button. Remote app images button. Default value. Contoso. Darn it. Alt tab is not really working today. Then we get hosts. Item read, remote or something. That's not important. Well, it is, but not for now. This contains nothing special. Button commands, images, group label. Short strings. That means group label. Get started title. Opens the task pane. There's the get started section. We don't have a get started section here apparently. ID must be unique for your add-in. Version updates something. One can't also use say then the display name. Yeah. Display name, then the icon for the add-in. Support URL, the app domains, and the basic settings. Then we get hosts. Something happened here. This one. That's like here. Then the app domains here. Domains. Skip the domains and go to there. Requirement set, form settings, permissions. Let's select this one. Remote app URL. Oh. Where is the remote app URL? Hosts, and then there's a default settings thing with default value remote app URL. That's this one. Requested height. It's a little bit different than in Word and permissions. Command mode, do we have that? Command mode integration. There's the version overrides. That's this one. That's a little bit different than the Word version. Hosts, resource ID. There we have the resources. Copy and bring that in here. Resource button, then the ID. Remote app URL images, button 1616 remote app images. Let's check if the images have the right format here. Images. (32 bits) images. Copy. Button 8080. Copy. All this work to get this aligned with the Word and the Excel sample. Otherwise Microsoft will fall over this. That's not how you say it. It will not accept that to do that. So it must be in sync with the other one. Yes, let's read task pane URL. That's the default version. That's somewhat like this. Copy. Remote app URL slash remote app URL slash. There's a slash in here. That's interesting. So that could either cause a duplicate or I don't know. We'll see. Contoso get started. Not so sure if the Contoso get started is allowed in Outlook thing. But this is just an ID, I think. Copy. And what is this link? Copy. Samples. Okay. Like hello world. So that should be extended with the with our own coding. but let's never mind for now. This is the Word version. Let's see where the getting started is used. Learn more URL. In the get started section. Do we have a get started section in Outlook? Looks like a generic thing. Question is, do we have this in Outlook as well? Desktop form factor. We do have a desktop form factor. Matching with this. Then the extension point. Strange music today. Copy, bring in the get started here. Get started title. Now we need a get started title in here as well. And there's no get started title here. We do need it to get started title, otherwise it will break. Copy, that's the short strings below the group label. Good. Now the group label. That's already done. Back to the get started. Get started description. That's a long string. This should now also be available somewhere. Yes. Learn more URL. That's also in here now. That's a URL, yes. It's this one. Now the task pane button. Task pane button. Show task pane. I think it's this one. Open read button label. Copy. This has two. The super tip as well. It's the top of the short strings. Then group label. Then get start title, the same. So we have two extra here for now. Outlook Blazor sample tab. I wonder if that's used. It's not. Super tip. Title and description. Where is the super tip here? Here. Copy. Paste. That's there. Task pane label. Then the description. Oh. Control F5, Control F5, that's good. Show task pane. It's a long string. Hey, this is not defined in the Word version. It's not defined in the Outlook version. That's not good. This one, the tooltip. We need a tooltip item. That's a long string. Under the get started thingy. So that's this one. So this should now be in sync with the Word version. Let's check something on the files there. Should be good. This is what we checked. So now we need to check this project. I think this is more like a model. even recognized. Let's go back to the files here. Check this with the Word version. Bin will be generated, object will be generated, then we have pages. And we only have 3 in Outlook. Index Razor CS, JS and C#. CSS, there's nothing in there yet. Oh. Page directive, page title. Why is this complaining of page title? Let's take it out for now. There's the add-in. A lot of stuff there. C#. Doing the same thing here. Using ASP.NET Core components, JavaScript interrupt. Why is this coloring different? That's not right. Blazor add-in. Blazor add-in. Model, I think. Should be Blazor add-in pages. Yeah. Then we have like the public partial class index, and then we have an injection of the runtime. Then we have public nice object reference, JavaScript module. That's the mail read information. Protected override async task. Protected override async task on after render async bool first render. if first render something, JavaScript module, await JS runtime, invoke async, I is object reference, import, then dot pages index eraser .js. And if mail read data is null, then it's going to get the mail something information. State has changed. Get email data. It's not used in here. These are all including functions like internal async task, that returns nothing. Maybe with this one. Private async task, mail read. Returns task mail read item, get email data. Oh, doing it again. That should not be a dot. Wonder if we can do this. We can. I think. I think the files are okay here. Naming is okay here. Blazor in pages, that's good. Let's start with the project file again. Blazor add-in, where's the Blazor add-in? There. Project SDK, Microsoft.NET SDK, Blazor WebAssembly. Oh. Where am I now? Property group sec6, nullable enable. Where's that? That's this part. Target framework net6 enable, nullable enable implicit usings, enable target 1, 2, 3, 4 items, 1, 2, 3, 4 items, property group configuration. Why do we need a configuration there? I think this is for a hosted model. Let's leave out the ECMAScript for now. Where's the version 4? Let's make that 8 in our case. Because we're updating it. Include model. Don't think we needed this, but oh. Dub root. Do we have a scripts folder? We don't have a scripts folder. So we can also remove that, I guess. Save. Let's check this. We have the bin folder that will be generated. The object folder will generate it. Pages only has the index items for once. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And I get the CSS there. We can remove the CSS. I put it in whenever we are going to need that. Properties. Let's close the pages there. Properties, launch settings. Windows authentication, true, 441, 433. Profiles, Blazor add-in, that should be called Blazor add-in. Command name is the project. .NET runtime true. Class browser true. .s hostname port. Nothing specific there. 7126. Environment development. IIS Express. Command name true, nothing specific there. Should be good. Shared. Shared folder, main layout. Copyright notice, layout component based, Blazor Office.js demo, nav menu, that's in here, nav menu. Same thing. Why is it not finding the dev menu? Probably related to this one. Let's first check the remainder of this. Trademark message. Correct. Framework. Copyright. That's good. Not sure why this is having the references, the other one hasn't. This we need to fix. I guess it's fixed by, by nothing. Guess this was a copy from one to the other, so I don't think I have to test that. So no other references in here. Navigation menu. That's the copyright notice. Copyright notice. Then navbar px something. We only use one container with a root item. It should not be content controls. It should be attachments. Then the bottom part. Injecting navigation manager gets a default. Move to page. That's a copy from the other one. I think this one was a copy. I trust that's okay. Then the root static items, CSS, app. I think that's also copied from one to the other. Images, 1, 2, 3, 4 images. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus Parker. Then we have the Blazor edit model. That needs to be checked carefully. Copyright stuff. We don't have copyright in here. Copy. JavaScript initializers, that's a common story. Blazor settings, before start, awesome options extensions. Also log. This is no longer called Outlook Blazor wasm app, so now Blazor adding. Blazor add-in lib module JavaScript. Office already info big fat arrow. Before start entering already, it's some comment. If host types Outlook, that's desktop version. Then otherwise it will be in the browser. Finished reading. Office already. after start called something. This again is called Blazor add-in without client. That should be good now. Favor icon index. Let's check the index. Copyright. There's no copyright here. Nope. Who cares about the copyright, but and irregular gold. Header UTF, cache control. Now we have a viewport in here. Oh, we also do have viewport in here. Cache control, no cache, no store. Title, Blazor wasn't. Let's call that Blazor add-in. And the base is href / then we have two bootstrap thingies, the CSS and the JavaScript thingy. Oh. Darn it. Keep changing this file. The app CSS. Style sheet, that's in there, then the link styles. That's the easiest way to just copy this. Copy. Oh, not removing it. Done. Offers JavaScript API. We're not using the beta here. The other one is using the beta. There. It was using the beta until I deleted that. Where we get to the body section. The ID app main, and then we have image source, copy, that's actually an error in the Word version. H1. So initially when it's reloading, it will show the image of the porcupine, and then this one will be temporary title and content loading thingy in the main section. I'm missing the main section. Copy that. Oh. And there we ended with a header. Then we have the content section. Then the div for main. Oh. Format the script items. Not sure if I like that a lot. Yeah, it will probably change it anyway. See, if I save it, it changes it anyway. There's the cache control, the viewport. Content. We have a footer here. After the main section, we have a footer. Main. I think it's this one. Looks like there's only 2 spaces in here. Well, yeah, there is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strange. Then we have a UI section, error UI. Something's off here. Let's see, that's the main, and then the footer, and that's encapsulated by the app. Main with footer, encapsulated by the cap. Let's make this that's not fitting the task pane, I think. Then we get footer, div, then the Blazor error UI section. Same thing. We have scripting there, the WordAssembly thing. That should be good. And the import tracer, let's see if that's correct. To HTTP, ASP.NET Core, Forms Routing Web. Forms running web, virtualization, WebAssembly, HTTP, JavaScript interop. No. And 2 Blazor versions. That's not right. That should be Blazor. Add in and Blazor add in. Shared. We don't have a shared, I think, in here. Let's see, where are the pages? Here, pages, properties, shared. Yeah, we do have a shared for the nav menu, and that was the reason I think that the main layout was not rendering this one. Why is that still giving issues? Add using a using directory for its namespace. Oops, oopsie, delete it again. Actually not finding it. Go to definition, no definition. I guess it just needs compiling. Nav menu, only one. Same thing. Nav menu. Nothing else. Should be okay. Let's see if I think we are almost done with the migration from one to the other and matching the file names. Let's do a quick check here. The model is something that we don't have in the Word environment. Properties can be closed. Shared is what we checked. CSS is what we checked. Images checked. And the module checked. Icon, index, imports, app.razor. That's angry on me. Also probably needs to be compiled. Blazor link project, we checked that one. Then program, that should be the last one. Base address is new, URI builder, host environment base address. It's good. Okay, ASP.NET Core, web. These are all green, but these are Oh, this one is not right. That's Blazor add-in. See, fixed one. One down. Ah, that's an empty line on the other one as well. Let's keep that in for now. Well, the other one was already checked. Now the solution file, maybe. That's what we also checked already. So let's close all of this. Let's check the changes here if there accidentally was a word change. No. Outlook, Outlook, Outlook. All Outlook. Yeah, it should be okay. No changes in the words section. Git attribute. That's where is it located? In the root. Blazor add-in, Outlook add-in. Let's check if that's good. This one. It's pretty standard. Shoot spa. Team City. Doc help. Not using that yet. No problem here, I think. Good, let's just close things down here. And close this and see if we can build it and run it. That's even more important. Let's GitHub. We can leave that open for now. Don't want the word add-in, we want the Outlook Blazor add-in. Well, let's try this. Double click. Do we see issues? Still going strong, I think. Source control. We are now on the bronze. Blazor Outlook add-in 2, so that's good. Then service dependencies, then we're going to build this solution. Rebuild solution, let's see if that's working. Oopsie. So what we expected, that we had some issues there. Type of namespace model does not exist in Blazor add-in. And that's true, because that's not called Blazor add-in. Okay. Status change does not exist. this one. That's complaining about the JavaScript module is not null here. That's because of this one. Could not find part of path.c repos samples Blazor in Outlook, Blazor in site loader. Something's not right here, I think. Blazor project, Blazor add-in site loader. This one is failing because the naming for the Outlook Blazor add-in is not right. Let's go in here again. We're getting close, I think. There's not that many issues. It was complaining about the project, I think. This is not right. Because that is called something called like this, Blazor add-in C# project, Blazor add-in C# project, and it's not in client, and it's not in this folder either. It's in Outlook -Blazor -add-in. Add-in. How are you doing in the chat, by the way? Are you all joyfully lurking in? That's good. Let's see if there's another C# project that needs to be fixed in here. Let's do a quick walk here. That's common stuff. Properties. Target framework is crazy stuff. This is not relevant at all. But that's the magic that is happening by SharePoint. Visual Studio version 14, I would say 15. This is what we just adjusted, I think. Nothing. This one is also not right. Okay. That's called... It's looking for the SP data, so that's under here, I think. Yes. So let's copy that. And bring that into here. And into there. And the XML file is not called Outlook Blazor add-in, but it's called copy Outlook Blazor site loader. Oh. Outlook Blazor side loader, and that was the reason why it was failing. SharePoint item is still the same, so that's not a problem. I think that fixes all the path issues there. Save that. Close all of this, and then we are going to do this once more. And now it should be fixing the path for the manifest file for the sideload object. Pre-compiling or something like that. There's an angry thing here. Index on render. Casing bool, no suitable method found to override. And the state has changed, does not exist in current context. These are both. And the index JavaScript module cannot be used with type arguments. I think I messed that up last time. Status changed is not identified, so let's go in here and also open the Blazor add-in Word thingy there. See what that has to say about the state has changed thing. If there's a state has changed thing isn't in there, I don't know. Let's first look for the state has changed. Otherwise I have that in the, there's a state has changed. Interact with paragraphs. That's referenced from component base. Do we miss the component base somewhere? Blazor 18 pages. Let's see, that's also in here. Blazor 18 models resolved. Let's first check the Nuget packages. And it's Nuget packages. All installed. We have updates, no updates. Good thing, everything's up to date. Also need to check the dependencies of the project, I guess. Builds. How's that done in here? Debug any CPU. Same thing. Wonder why this is failing. Protected override async task. Protected override async task on after render async. On after render async, pull first render. Inject runtime. That's good. Mail data. It should be okay. Let's try rebuilding all. Element desktop form factor namespace has an if element get started. So the Outlook section apparently doesn't have a get started section. It wasn't in there either. Outlook manifest fest XML references guide. Oh, it's starting out. No, don't want to start Outlook. Drama. Manifest XML reference Outlook. Required elements: Office app, version, provider name, locale, display, description, support, URL is required. But no. Get started. There's a reference in here. Get started. Provides information used to call out. It appears when the add-in is installed in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. So it's not part of Outlook. It's not part of Outlook. So let's kill that. Let's first remove the resources there. That's one resource down. 2 resources down. And 3 resources down. Kill the get started section. Down. Save. Close all. Rebuild. Let's see if we got rid of one item now. Still wonder why this is failing on after render async. It's only one error. Is that all? Rebuild solution. Let's go to the output window there. It's complaining about the shared thingy there. Shared does not exist. That's true because I don't have a shared in this environment. Do we have one in Word? We do. No, that's not. That's something different. I guess. Blazor already shared. There's no namespace here. Blazor already shared, so it is a folder. Outlook add-in, that's this one. Blazor add-in shared. Model and pages. Why don't we have? Let's search for shared in here. This is the Word version, I think. Yes. Only reference here is Blazor add-in shared in the imports razor file. There. That's exactly the same, I think, in Outlook. It's not. Oh yeah, because we removed it. So why is that not exposed? Restore new J packages. Nothing to restore. I'm not sure why this is failing on me again. Shared. Also, this is kind of strange because this is also the same thing. There's no code in here, that's the same thing. Index razors, yes. Only difference is here the model. Protected override async task. Protected override async task on after render async. After render async is exactly the same. Also the status change not working. No, we don't want to generate it because it's something that exists in the... what is it? the model. No problem with the naming. Is that because there is no code behind here? Is there code behind the other one? Inherit layout component base. I think I already have that here. Same. There is code behind here. It's actually exactly the same. So the pages are complaining still here on after Blazor model adding model. This should be good. Yeah. Oh. No, I don't want to select something. Control dot. Protected override task after render async. as a star. Protected, override, async, task, on, after, render, async, yeah, because we need to await something. Like that. If first render so right line tab, test, copy, JS module, await, evoke async, object reference, import, pages razor, no, not pages, index pages, index dot razor dot js, still not working because it's not returning anything, I guess. Should it return something? This can also go in the code block in index razor. property index JavaScript module cannot be used with type arguments. I wonder if I had that in the other one. Let's get a paragraph, for instance, in Word. This one. Oh, I'm missing this one. Not the invoice, not the void. I need something that returns something. Copy. Nope. So I missed the invoke sync thingy there. Not sure how that happened because probably my alt tab was failing again. Async. Yeah. Oh, that's one down again. To get the email. Is now the other one also solved? No. Probably missed something here as well. Protected override async task on after render async. Return value. Return value, that's the basically what you get back here. Return value is from there. That's done by the thingy here. Let's bring this back. Oh. Triple. Yeah, it's tripled. Oop, 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 something like that. It's not even generated while this is in an error state. I can't understand, but why is it not working on that one? Is it also giving the same error on the other one? The original? Where we derived it from? Which one was it? This one, I think. Is that original? Yes, so. So this one has also an issue. What? No, it's solved now. This doesn't show an issue. Did I remove this one? Change that to model. Go to definition. Oh. Yeah, that's a comment on that. 0 references. Microsoft JavaScript interrupt. Let's have a look at the Nuget packages here. That's 2. Oh, we have 2. That's not right. Let's check this with the other one. Word here. We're onto something here. This one is WebAssembly, dev server, and WebAssembly. Why is this one missing the JavaScript interrupt thing? Is that down in a different way? 6 and 8, that's good. Microsoft ASP.NET Core, Components, WebAssembly. This is the Word version. And the Outlook Blazor version in here was failing. Manage Nuget solution. Microsoft ASP.NET Core Components WebAssembly. Microsoft. This one, yes, the right one. Microsoft ASP.NET Core Components WebAssembly. Microsoft ASP.NET Core Components WebAssembly Dev Server. Let's try to there's the Blazor add-in. Can we just remove this somehow? Why can't I just delete that? To do that on each of these? Oh, that's there. Manage new jet packages. Oh, something's going wrong here, I think. Uninstall. 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 Now it's complaining about all these things. Let's go into the other one. Probably doesn't have any new packages. No. Good. Now let's add them again. WebAssembly, copy. Install. Okay. Accept. And the second one. Copy. Install. Okay. Accept. Then the third one. JavaScript intro. Copy. Accept. Why is it not installing? Somehow it's not adding the JavaScript intro item. Oh. Let's close this and open it again. Maybe it's a reboot thing again. I had that before. Work as if I wasn't already. Yeah. I'm so late responding to this. 7 minutes late. Close this. Go back to repos. Sort and date 2017, 17. I think that's today. Samples. Blazor add-in. Outlook Blazor add-in. And now do we get squigglies? Yes, we do get squigglies again. That's right. Microsoft.NET SDK, Blazor WebAssembly. Open the Word one. This one has solution items in there. So where did it put the references then? Did it not install at all? Word version. Outlook. No packages found. Huh? Okay. I got them installed here. Why is that? Manage new J packages in the solution. This one is on the Blazor add-in. Where's the Blazor add-in? Configure. Never understood why they put the update 3. I don't know. I never understand why they put the Nougat packages item on a different location. You always have to search for that. So this is the Word one again. Let's go in here and then manage Nougat packages on the same location. Then select these 3 items here again. Let's make this a little bit bigger. I first want to see where, because if I go in here and then I do manage something, then you see the 3 items there. I also see that in the Outlook version, I think. Here, manage new J packages. Only 1. And it's not possible to uninstall that. So let's go to folder here. Open File Explorer. Let's close this one. Then go to here. There's one. Let's open that in here. Command code and not cond code dot. And let's global search for this one. That's in side loader. Why is that side loader? It's also side loader. Let's do the same for the Word version. Code dot See, that's only in the Blazor add-in. So it should not be in the side loader at all. What? Searching something completely different here. That's useful. Go the Outlook here and search for this one. Copy. Same thing. It's only in the, not in the side loader at all. Blazor side loader project. That's not found at all, so this complete section can go. Useless. Targets, that's the same thing. What's this? Packages config. Do I have that here? Don't think so. Packages config. Don't think I have that in my Word thingy. And that's this one. There's no need to bring that in. So I probably have some errors there. Let's revert this one. And then there's a packages folder. Is that automatically deleted now? Let's check the folder there. This one's not. We don't want that in there. Delete. What? Oh. Let's close this and then go back to Outlook here. That's Word. Outlook. Packages, we should delete that folder. No need to have packages in there. What's this? And delete that as well, I think. That's also a mess, so we probably need to kill that as well. What if we just completely throw this out? What's in there? There's only 2 in there. That's much better. Let's clean that out as well. Shift delete. Now let's open this again. Well, let's first go here again. CMD. Code. Not conde. Code. Dot again. Now let's search for the Nuget package. Where's the word one? There. Oh. Thought it was already open. There is one open. This was the one that was illegally in there. Copy. Outlook. Search for. Let's close all these things here. Close all. Search all. No items found, that's good. Now let's go into there, open the solution. You also need to add the solution items folder there. Would be nice if we can get this to work today. Otherwise I get a short night. And it's already a short night, as always. Blazor add-in, let's put in some manage Nuget packages in here. And bring some magic on the table. Browse. Let's install that one. I accept. Then go to Word again. Go for the second one. Basically the first one. ASP.NET Core components. Web server. We have a server and a dev server. A whole slew of other things there. Okay. I accept. Now the last one. Copy. Then clear that, paste it in, enter, that's only one. install. MIT. Entire solution output. Let's bring a folder in there. Add solution folder. What is it called? Solution items. Solution items. Items. Then add existing item. README. And that needs to be Outlook, Blazor, add in, and do replace them all, only 4 items. Worded in. It's not possible. What's today? Create date. It's today. It's 08/17/2022, and it's it's all 18 already in my location here. And no, 5 minutes past 12. Happy Thursday, everyone. Yeah, it's Thursday already. Let's change Word into Outlook. Blazor WebAssembly Word in. Interact with Outlook. Yeah, we need to fix that anyway, because there's no way that will be correct the way it runs now. I never Outlook run, I'm pretty sure. Okay, close that. Going to guess outlook.com. Do you think that exists? It does exist, but real name. Okay. Google. Premier from Quebec. Where's that Prime Minister? Eric Legault. That's him. This is his website, I think. Make Outlook rock. version 1, that would be August 18. No. Something like this that needs to be changed anyway. Save that. Close this. Let's build it. Inject attribute cannot be found. Because the usings were removed. Components inject. Oh, let's do that different. Using, why is it, wasn't it proposing to add a using earlier? After interrupt, that's correct. And we're back to square one. After render async, why is that not working in Outlook? Doesn't that exist in Outlook? Running out of water, guys. Need to hydrate. That's the thingy there. Close that. This one. Close all the items here. Go to there. There's no code in here. Blazor pages. It's called pages. Pages. Partial class index. Public partial class. Public partial class index. Public partial class index. modifier override not must have return value void. Still the same thing. Index. Protected override async task. Go to definition. Go to base. No base. Yeah, there is a base. Component base. ASP.NET Core components. And we have, what is the void version? Protected virtual. Returns a completed task. The component base, where do we find the component base in this project? Component. Main layout inherits component based base. And part of that is generated, I think. Shared. This one is also not recognized. It is now. Can we do the same here? We can. Microsoft does ASP.NET Core components. That is the same. This is a strange one. Why do we see two here? Oh, we have one small and one... Okay. Guess what? There's one with a capital I, one with a lower I. This capital. Capital. Oh, that's the issue. Guys, do you see this? There's a lower I in there. You know what it is? That's horror. I bet that this is the solution to everything. Now we have to go into the imports here. And we have to do Blazor add-in. Blazor, but still something with lower I in there. Let's check all these things. F8. That's the uppercase, uppercase, uppercase. There's another one, but that's comment. F8. Upper, upper. Let's close this and open it again because I'm pretty sure that this is an issue with Studio. Blazor add-in. Let's check here. Blazor add-in. Pages. Blazor add-in. This is capital. Let's go in here. Command code dot go low level again. Search for Blazor add-in. Make that case sensitive. There you are. That's an error anyway, because this one should be Blazor add-in, something like that. And this should be, but I don't think it's used in here. Now it's gone. Let's disable that again. Quick scan. Do we still have Outlook Blazor add-in there? No. That should be good now. Exit. Let's reload it again. Now you can spend your time by fixing one uppercase character. I wish I was using Visual Basic. waiting for it to load. Did I mess up this still? Because I made some changes in there. Yeah, see. Task. Still giving me an error. Oh, not everything returns a value. That's true. Mail read. Yeah, it's an awaitable thing there. Add email data returns task something. Put in async. Async. Tasks, that's better. I think it's not angry anymore. Let's build it. Two succeeded. Now let's see if we can run this. 5. Okay. Now I need to find my subscription. I think it's this one. Copy. Oh, okay. No clue what I'm doing. I think it's something related with the yeah, unauthorized deployment errors. Do you know? I think that's something to do with this one. Because I don't want this. Let's open the other one. Just do a preview. Let's open the old one and let's have a look at the settings there. Outlook Blazor add-in. I think it's this one. No. is. Doom, doom, doom. I think it's an alarm for late bedtime. Did I open it already? Yes, we opened it. Go to this one. Is that due to the alphabet? Start action Office desktop client. That's wrong here. That should be Office desktop client. That's my email, my test email, that is. That's project, site loader. It should not do the site loader. Is it? Yeah, it is a site loader. Then project folder, client, multi-factor auth 2. Blazor was an app client. This should be good now. Let's run this. Failed to deploy the manifest to the Exchange server. Now we have to select this thingy there. Oh. No. What's the error? No error. Manifest file 17 blah blah blah. Debug XML is being deployed, but it did not deploy. Let's clear the cache here. Local app data. Then we have Microsoft Office. From the top of my head, Office 16 WEF. Let's kill the web view there. Let's rebuild this. Also, let's open Outlook here. See if we can remove the old one, but maybe it's, yeah, it's, oh, it was already struggling with the existing item. Where are these add-ins? In here. Manage command-ins, manage add-ins. I think it should show no add-ins. My add-ins. Script lab. Bing, custom add-ins. No. Good. But at least you quickly saw this popping up there. Yes. Let's try run this again. Should this be the startup? Let's have a look at the other one. This should be set to start for both. And what's the dependency then? Blazor add-in is dependent on wasmap. That's the other one. That's the deploy one. Wasm app is this one. Wasm app is the web. So this one is the manifest file. The manifest file is depending on the other one. Okay, still follow. Close all these things. Set close all these things. Let's make this a little bit smaller if I can find a splitter there. Yeah. Then startup. Startup. Startup projects. Start dependencies. Blazor add-in. It's the other way around. Side loaders depending on the Blazor add-in. That's good. Let's now run this. F5. And it's not allowed to do this. Why is this not allowed to do this? What does it say here? Outlook, Blazor, sideload and debug app. Packages. Is that still in there? That should not be in there. Delete. Let's try it without the packages thingy there. 5. Still not right. Being deployed, that's an issue. So what if I just do sideload this? What's the URL here? Was it due to this slash? So what if we only start the website? Let's see if this website is starting or not. Let's not sideload it. For now. Startup. Sideloader. None. Let's see if that builds. Something's happening. Loading. And that's true because there are no email items. And we have an attachment things loading the same thing again. So now if we manually go into Outlook, then go to File, I thought there was another option as well, File, Manage Add-ins. Add a custom add-in from File. And go to not Blazor. This one, I think. Side loader. Wonder why it's building things like this is the one. Oh, see, there's something wrong there. Yeah, but that's deployed by images. Also, that's images with a lower I. This is replaced by Studio. That is annoying. Because we're really close, is what I feel. This is good. Close. So it's about the deployment of this one. I think something is not right in this one. Outlook Office 365. Project folder. Blazor add-in, Blazor add-in, Blazor add-in site loader. There's the project folder. Go to file thingy. There's a project and user thingy. What do we have here? Why do we always also have this one? Let's quickly go into secrets there. So I'm not sure what's in there. Oh, that's the email address setting again. Okay, let's close that again. Back to code. And let's delete this one. In this one then again, open with notepad. No, show what I just. Why is it showing app start document new Excel workbook? That's also not good. Show that again. Delete. Let's close this. Startup. Oh, that's the other one. It's too confusing. Let's close this. Let's clean up a little bit. Get some overview here. That's the old one, new one, and the Word one. I think we can now delete, close the Word one. That's the old one. That's just a manifest file. Blazor, this one can close now. This one, let's clean that out as well. This is the old one, so we want to start this one. Startup projects. Start dependencies. The site loader will be depending on Blazor add-in. Build, deploy. Startup project dependencies. Code analysis is deprecated. Configuration. Blazor add-in. That's the WebAssembly. Yeah. Okay. Back to here. Okay. Let's try F5 again. And it's still failing. Said it failed to deploy. Pretty sure I have to reset something. Well, we create a new UID. GUID, I'm missing the G there. Rebuild solution. That's right. But do we now also have something like an compiled manifest? That's still empty. Notepad. So I changed some things in the manifest, so let's try another thing there. That's going into side loader there. There's the manifest, there's the manifest. Let's take this out. See temp. '22 08 18, because maybe I messed up with the XML file. And copy this one into the other one. Copy into here. Just renaming that. It's a temp folder. Code dot. Let's check if there's something in there that should be fixed. I don't think there are references yet. The images with lower I. The folder, I think, is having a full I. Images capital I. I think that's about everything in there. Let's go into the other project. There we have the manifest file. There's a URI, an ID in there. It's only reference. Blazor, clean solution, rebuild solution, F5. And apparently I messed something up in the manifest file. Waiting for it to load. Yes! Ta-da! And it's not even giving an error anymore. See if it's also working on the text file. And there's the text file again. So that's also working. Great success. It's all magic. Now running out of water. That's a good thing. So let's wrap this up then. Do you want to permanently delete? Yes, we want to delete that all. Yeah, so I need to fix these items there. Let's go back in my to-do list here. To-do. Create a pull request to parallel fork. That will be done later on. Pushing that in. JavaScript error is gone. The menu item is gone. As said, great success so far. Save. Let's look at the committed files if there are strange things in there. The model, that's good. Index, launch settings, navigation, JavaScript module, favorite icons. It's all as should be. Manifest file, SharePoint data, the project. This should that be in there? Let's have a look at the other one. Boop, boop, boop.